I feel the breeze where the good winds blow. Through the trials and the tears I stand upright, 'cause I see your sign in the darkest night. They can't break the soul that you hold inside, even when the world tried to twist and divide. From the hills to the streets, hear the people cry. Your light shining, never pass me by. Your guide through the fire and rain, lift my spirit, ease my pain. When I fall, you call my name. Faith alone keep us sane. Your guide, I never let me stray. Light the path and show the way. Through the night into the day, your love never fade away. Babylon system try for blind eyesight, but I hold firm to the truth and right. No corruption can control my soul. Your law written, that's the final goal. Stand up strong, no compromise. See through lies with spiritual eyes. Burning justice, let righteousness reign. Only truth can break these chains. From the trenches where the youths them pray, looking for a brighter day. Meditation keep my mind aligned. Your presence always close behind them. Try distract with illusion games, but we rise above material chains. With every step I elevate, guided by a higher state. One love, one heart, one destiny. Your light set the captives free. From within is where it starts.